Hey everybody, it's Erin here from Tech Gadgets Canada and techgadgetsinternational.com. It is mail day again here in the Tech Test Kitchen, the actual Tech Test Kitchen. And I got a ton of packages delivered in the last couple of days, and I thought it might be fun for you guys to be as surprised as I might be when I open up some of these boxes and see what's inside. So there's like 7 packages here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packages. I'm just going to pick them at random, but maybe I will start with this huge box right here and we'll get it open, see what's inside, and get it out of the way. All right. So I don't know if you guys can see this very well or not. I think there's a Yidi logo on this box, which makes me think it's either a robot vacuum or something similar. And that's pretty cool. So we will see what we're getting here. And I think what might be easiest so that you guys can actually see inside this, I wish I had like an overhead camera. That would actually be pretty cool. I'm gonna put this down on the floor. Whoa. There. All right, and now I'll unpack it for you. The first thing in here, so this is going to be the robot in this box, and this is from Yidi. Wow, it's like the Fort Knox of robot vacuums in here, or robot floor cleaners. I'm not quite sure what it is yet. I hope this isn't anticlimactic. You guys are waiting to see like what's in this box and I never get it open. All right, let's take a look at what we have here. Very well wrapped, as most of these products are. So this is indeed, this is a cool new looking robot from Yidi. And it says it is called the Yidi Mop Station Pro. The Yidi Mop Station Pro. So this is going to be a dual vacuum and mopping robot. Very cool. So let's see what else comes in this box here. I'm going to put the robot out of the way for just a moment, because there's still some more things in here. It looks like this is going to be an accessory kit of some kind. All right, and that's exactly what this is. So hopefully you guys can get a look at this. So this is the quick start guide. We've got what, this is the mopping plate unit, mopping tank, actually it just looks like a tank here on this one. And then, oh, very cool, there are a handful of, looks like extra covers on this, and then 2 scrubbing, really fluffy mopping plates. That's actually pretty cool. I'm going to be very interested to see how these come together and how these really plush mopping plates clean. That's pretty cool. There's also a corner brush in here that we will probably snap on when I get this set up and assembled, and a plug so we can power it, and a handy dandy little scrubby brush, which I imagine is for cleaning the inside of my new mopping tank here. And they can never go back in the same way you got them out. So that's that. The other part that's down here, spoiler alert, is a base station. Set that down. And I'm not sure, it's quite large. I'm not sure how if I can actually get this out of here to show you guys, but I'll do my best. Whoa. All right, we'll undress it. Little robot mop striptease here. Okay, so, that's really nice. Really nice kind of white plastic, pretty sleek. some other packaging in here, and there are 2 mopping tanks in here. So there's what's going to be a clean water tank and a dirty water tank. So my guess is not only is this mopping, but it's going to be cleaning itself in some way. Again, we're going to look forward to getting this all set up and tested. So watch for the review of the, let me get the name right here again, Yidi Mop Station Pro, coming in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to set this out of the way to be right back. All right, now it's time to get into some of this other stuff that you guys are seeing. Where to begin? Where to begin? We'll try some of these baggy packages here. So I think I've told you guys before that a lot of times I don't necessarily know what's coming to me, what packages are coming to me. And I get surprised by what's inside them, because sometimes companies will send me test samples. In other cases, I'll order things to test and review, mainly from Amazon. And they're not always well labeled, so I don't know when it's something I've ordered versus something that's just come to me. So it's always a bit like Christmas around here. So this, okay, cool. So this is called the Ola Dance wearable stereo. Ola Dance wearable stereo. And what these are, I've only read about these. I haven't tried them yet. These are essentially like open headphones, open earbuds. And what they're designed to do is sort of hook on the outside of your ear and almost pipe music around your ear as opposed to jamming it into your ear canal. So that's a pretty neat concept. A lot of folks who really hate having stuff jammed inside their ear canals are big fans, or could be big fans, of things like open earbuds or wearable stereos. So I'm just gonna unbox this really quickly and see what's inside. Cool package. It looks like a charging and storage case, and it's actually pretty big, but yet thin. And there's that wearable earbud, wearable stereo. So these are going to be, I haven't tried these out, so I'm probably there. Right ear. I have no idea if this is how you wear these or not, but that's how that looks. And again, the review of this, the full review of the Ola Dance wearable stereo, is going to be coming in a couple of weeks, if not sooner. We will find out. So that's that package. I need a recycling system, a little better recycling system for my videos here. All right, we'll take another package. All right, and in here, so these are, these I got from Amazon. These are, I'll open one up here. They're cord winders. So there's an adhesive back on it, and you can stick it onto appliances that you may have in your kitchen where you want to wind up the cord, but there's not really a good place or a good mechanism to do that. So it's got a little clip that'll hold the plug in, and then these little shaped sides, I don't know what you call them, that you can wind the cord around and then clip it in. So that's going to help to keep cords tidy. I really wanted to try these from Amazon because I wanted to see if they work. I see them, they always pop up in my feed. So high time for me to see if these are actually a worthy buy, we'll say. So we'll set those down. All right. This says it's from Zag. I'm not quite sure what Zag is, but we'll find out together. Okay. We have, cool. All right, we've got some charging cases, charging devices, battery packs from Mophie. So there's two here. This is the Mophie Snap Plus Juice Pack Mini. So I'm guessing this is a Qi wireless battery pack that should just clip onto the back of your phone. And I've also got the Snap Power Station Stand. Snap Power Station Stand. Interesting. So this might work as a stand on its own while also powering your device, is my guess, stating the obvious. But I'll tell you guys, I'm doing some content for spy.com about all the different wireless charging options that are out there. So this is going to be part of that bonanza of content that you guys will see here soon. I've probably got 20 or 30 chargers either arriving or coming in or expected, and I'm going to try them all. So if you guys are looking for wireless Qi charging devices as well, you'll definitely want to stay tuned for that content as well. Next up here, and by the way, I should also say that if there's something out there you guys are wondering about, you've always wondered if it actually works, if it's a worthy buy, I love getting ideas from viewers. So I would love to hear from you guys what you think would be a really good pick or what you think I should review next. So you can always hit me up in the comments with your suggestions for what's to come here. So we've got some more charging devices here for my charging mega bonanza. This is from Satechi. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And this is the 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charging stand. It's actually a really kind of interesting looking wireless charging stand. Nice metal base with a nice sort of white gloss cover there that looks like it will charge both headphones and AirPods. I don't think it'll charge the watch, but we'll find out. But that's a nice little charger. And something else in here from Satechi. And this is a USB AC adapter wall plug that presumably will attach to this device here. So that's also going on the list for things I'm going to be reviewing in the coming weeks and months. And this one is very well wrapped in several layers of tape. So you guys are going to have to forgive me here while I find my way in. It might take a minute. I'm trying to think of what other content I have coming up. I just put together a massive robot vacuum review roundup as well on spy.com. So if you want to head over to spy.com to check that out. I think I've reviewed in the last 6 months or so, probably, well, I've probably reviewed more than that, but 10 or 12 robot vacuums, and I've written about most of them on spy.com. And we sort of put together a really big roundup of all the biggest and most popular robot vacuums in one article that's actually really handy in case you're sort of still trying to make your shopping decision about what you want to buy. So that's something you can check out as well on spy.com. Now this is something, I remember this now. I ordered these from Amazon. These are solar LED landscape spotlights. And it looks like they need assembly. So I'm just gonna show you the bits and the pieces. So these solar lights, solar charger here, charging pad across the top, 2 really big LED spotlights. And then there's some associated, I think it's a 6-pack of lights. Maybe it's only a 3-pack, I'll have to double check. From Linkkind. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that, but I'll find out. And stakes and things that you'll be able to attach to the lights when I get these all set up. But I'm excited to find out about these because for the most part, I haven't had great luck with solar lights. You guys probably haven't had much luck either. If you get them at the home improvement store, they cost about $1 each. And they generally aren't really great. These are supposed to be quite powerful and long lasting. So I'm gonna be really excited to do the review of these and get it up on the channel so you guys can see if these are a good buy as well. Solar LED landscape spotlights. And we've got two more things. This one's really heavy. I'm not quite sure what this one is. Kind of feels like batteries, and I guess it could be. All right, this is going to be another charger. This one's from Anker. And I'm not quite sure what it is. It doesn't really say on the box. Interesting packaging, and I'll move that out of the way. Another fortress of a box. All right, so this is a really heavy, weighted. Oh, cool. So this is a battery pack. This is a giant portable battery pack from Anker. It's got 2 USB and 1 USB-C connector in the top. Amazingly, there's also an AC power out, so you could actually plug a small device in here like a laptop, I presume. I haven't checked this out yet. I haven't read the specs. Maybe a small light if you want to plug in your phone, whatever AC devices you have. This is pretty cool. This is going to come in very handy for camping, for van life, and for travel, though it is kind of big and weighty. What else is in the box here? Anything? I think that's about it. But we will check out what else is going on with this Anker power bank a little further down the road. And I think I only have one more box here to do. Tech for good, it says on the box here. This is actually a really nice packaging. Kind of nice surprise to open up the inside of the box and get that little burst of color. Kudos to Nimble for excellent packaging. And we've got more charging devices. Let me get these out of this larger box and I'll show you guys what I have here. So these are all from Nimble. This is the Apollo Duo fast wireless charger for 2 devices. Looks like it's kind of got a marbleized top there. It's like a flat pad. Let's open this up. Flat pad that you can lay stuff on. There we go. Good size pad, nice design, kind of rubberized silicone top here to it. And from what I understand from this company, they make products with recycled materials. So this is made from recycled plastic. And it's got that recycling symbol on the front, which you guys can't see. But that's a neat concept. So I'm going to be looking forward to seeing what sets these devices apart. What else is in the package here? Let's take a look. The Nimble Apollo stand, which is kind of more of an easel type stand. And finally, we have the Apollo fast wireless charger. So this is a 15 watt flat charger. This is a 15 watt easel style charger. And then this must be slightly more powerful. No, it's a 15 watt charger, fast charging, but it'll handle 2 devices where this one will handle 1. All right, so that's what came in the mail in the last couple of days. I'm really going to be behind on my reviews. I've got a lot of stuff here to check out, so I'm going to say this video is done. I'm going to get to unpacking, unboxing, and getting hands-on with all of these new gadgets.